Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 14th, 2025. I'm out here going to do some more work out here today. Some of the sections of roof that I cut off yesterday and set out here, I'm going to peel the composite shingles and the copper snow breaks off. Got some lumber to clean up over here, get put. And then maybe, that's all the snow I shoveled off of there yesterday, off the roof. I might be able to get over there and get closer to Optimus there, the Grandel 6060. But I've got a lot of things to pick up. It's just crazy. And then I got more tools and supplies. As I'm getting in here, I'm trying to empty out more of the cabinets, trying to keep things from getting destroyed here. So we'll see how much I do get done. I did contact our local fire and security system installers, so hopefully they'll call back and we can get an estimate for reinstalling this once the building is put up. But I just want to get that for the insurance company as well. And it's been really acting up. And I really don't have time to work on the security system, but so I had to shut it down. So it's really, so with security systems you have different partitions, and so there's two partitions here that have had to be shut down for the security system that need to be shut down, and I haven't done that yet. I just basically killed the security system for now, turned it off, turned the power off, turned the battery backup off for it right now. So hopefully I can get someone out here in the next couple of days to take a look at that. Jack might show up today too, not sure. An adjuster might show up today. Just don't know yet. We'll see how everything works out. So I'm going to get started. You know, I forgot one other thing. Yesterday I went out. All of the materials that are in here, I've got all the buildings just jam-packed with the things that we've gotten out of here, which makes everything completely inoperable. And there's so much more in here. And it could take a long time, the whole summer, to get this rebuilt. Everything's just going so slowly here. So yesterday I did go. There's a place in Fulton that's selling shipping containers. And so I talked with them last evening. They got back to me. We made a deal. I'm going to be buying 4 shipping containers, 40-foot shipping containers with 5 sets of double doors, 4 on the side and 1 on the end. That way I should be able to use those to be able to get things in and out of that a little bit better. Thea's going to drop off $5,000 deposit today. And as soon as the snow melts, and I can get the shipping containers over here and get them set up, we'll be able to get a lot of these materials into the shipping containers to keep them from getting destroyed. So that's one other thing. Now back to work.
Snow lies heavy on the field so wide. Frozen branches reach for the sky. But in my heart there's a warmth so true. I'm dreaming of spring, I'm waiting for you. When the fruit trees bloom in a sea of white, petals dancing in the golden light, the robins return with a song so sweet, singing the promise of earth beneath my feet. Oh, I'm dreaming of spring, I can feel it near. The sun shines brighter, the air turns clear. The ponds will thaw and the waters will flow. The garden awakes and the green will grow. Little seeds sleeping in the dark cold ground, waiting for warmth to come back around. Soon they'll rise reaching for the sky, stretching their leaves as the days drift by. Oh, I'm dreaming of spring, I can feel it near. The sun shines brighter, the air turns clear. The ponds will thaw and the waters will flow. The garden awakes and the green will grow. I hear the whisper of a gentle breeze through budding branches and waking trees. The winter fades, it's had its time. Now Now let the world come back to life. So I'll hold on through the cold and gray, knowing spring is on its way. The earth will bloom, the birds will sing, and I'll wake up to the joy of spring. Oh, I'm dreaming of spring, I can feel it near. The sun shines brighter, the air turns clear. The ponds will thaw and the waters will flow. The garden awakes and the green will grow. Snow lies heavy on the field so wide. Frozen branches reach for the sky. But in my heart there's a warmth so true. I'm dreaming of spring, I'm waiting for you. Just yesterday, I was just a kid, running wild, laughing like I never did, climbing trees, chasing dreams. Thought I had forever, or so it seemed. Now the mirror shows a different face, a little more worn, a little less grace. Time moves fast, like a river it flows. Where it all went, Lord only knows. So I'm gonna make the best of today, live like the sun won't fade away. Love a little harder, laugh a little more, walk through every open door. 'Cause yesterday's gone, tomorrow's unknown. But right here, right now, I'm in the zone. Tomorrow I'll be an old man's shadow, looking back at these days I borrow. Will I smile? Will I regret? Did I take my chances or just forget? So I won't waste a single breath, no holding back, no second guess. Gonna dance in the rain, sing in the storm, hold my loved ones a little more warm. I'm gonna make the best of today, live like the sun won't fade away. Love a little harder, laugh a little more, walk through every open door. 'Cause yesterday's gone, tomorrow's unknown. But right here, right now, I'm in the zone. One day I'll sit in a chair by the fire, look back at my life, never tired, knowing I lived, knowing I tried, no regrets when I close my eyes.
Well, got quite a bit accomplished today. Jack did come down and help out late morning, and we just finished up here and all. Got quite a bit more done over here. Got most of the snow out of here. Man, there was a lot of snow on this side, and got a lot of the equipment out of this area. Besides, we had gotten Suki and Pepe out of here yesterday, I think it was yesterday. And tomorrow I'm going to work on some of this area here, see if I can get scaffolding. I got some of the tire racks out, a bunch of the wheels out, some of the tools that were mounted here on the wall and all. So it is coming. That beam is really precarious there, so that's ticklish worried about Optimus there, the Grand L6060. So I didn't get any more out of these cabinets today. Focused on removing roofing area. I made a big dent over here, so there was roof hanging over here earlier, well, on the last video. And we got the green machine out, the Avant 860i. The new toolbox is still boxed in there. All the racks that are like this on this side are all crushed. But we've made some headway. Made quite a bit of headway. So a lot to do. Lots of stuff, many different power tools and fasteners and lots of building materials all in this area here. And really surprised that this catwalk over here stayed up, which is really protecting a lot of stuff over in this area. So that's good. Really good. So pretty happy. It was great having Jack down here to help out. Piles are getting real big. And I got a lot more stuff pulled out to the sugar shack, so I got stuff in there. I still can take some more stuff in there. And I think I mentioned earlier that I did order 4 shipping containers, because all these tools, we got to get everything inside so that we can have workspace and all. And that's about it. So I didn't bother redoing more and more of the video today. So there is some short video that's going to show up when I first started off this morning. But after breakfast I said no, just going to focus on doing the work here, and that paid off. So that's it for today's video, folks. Appreciate you watching, appreciate the thumbs up and your comments. As always, it does help out, and I hope you folks stay safe and take care. Bye bye now.